Hi guys, so I have a very useful tip for you. So I usually tend to make kale chane on the weekend, so on Saturday or Sunday. So how do I make it more tastier for my kids to eat and the family? So what I do is I cut some red onion and some coriander right here, because kala chana has a lot of high protein, rich in lots of nutrients, and to make it more tasty, so I've cut some red onions, some coriander, and I'm going to cut some tomato, and I am going to make a very tasty dish for you. So let me just cut all these up for you, and I'm going to show you how you can make this kala chane amazing, and all your kids, your family would love to eat it, because I've made it in my iron kadai. So I put a lot of iron in it, and it's nice and black. So it's gonna taste amazing. So I have it here. So this is my topping for my kala chana. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in this bowl. I'm gonna scoop it up. So you can put other salad stuff, but these are the three things that I like putting: tomato, onion, and coriander. So I scoop that in, very easy. Scoop it in, and I'm going to add it to my dish and make it so good. You can even add some green chili if you like. I don't add it because my kids don't like green chili. So look, this looks like salsa. So very nice. So I'm gonna just mix it up a little bit. I know I should use a spoon, but my knife will do the job. Okay. So here you go. There you go. So it's nice and mixed. You can add lemon if you like, but I'm good. So here is my topping for my kala chana, and I'll show you how I add it. So here is my kala chana in my bowl, and I am gonna scoop some of this topping right here. I'm gonna add it to my dish, and here you go. So look what a difference it has made. So if you add this, even if you don't have a roti or anything, you can eat it as it is. It's a nutritious dish that will help you get through your day, get through your day, and you're gonna feel a lot of energy and won't feel hungry for a long time. So it's good for losing weight, plus a lot of nutrients in your body, okay? So thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel and sharing my videos and tips with your family and friends. Make sure to put it on your status. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.